Steve, today is 28th of January, and glad to get you back over here, and hopefully that works out good for you.
I think it will.
We want to give that little cycling touch, and so yeah, a little bracket underneath maybe.
Yeah,
I didn't even think about that channel.
Put a little spacer, I'll glue it on here. Just that's all it needs.
Well, we got him trapped, folks. Behind this is Bears Rod Shop and Steve Bales over at Bales Machinery, and fixing to start the Route 66 this year. Steve, how far is that? I know you sent me the map, but
2,500 miles probably. But by the time I ride from here to there and go a little bit past, I think I'm going to do 5,200 miles. I think.
Whoa! So it's Lido to Santa Monica.
Santa Monica to Chicago to Long Island.
Wow! And you guys follow? I don't know. Is there any way they could follow you on that 2021?
Yeah, I don't know that there's any real way. I don't really have anything set up. So.
Yeah, I know I put the TAT on there for the Trans Tour America tour.
Yeah.
But anyhow, this is that rack we spent a little bit of time on there around the Bears Rod Shop, and hopefully you can use it and move it on. Steve, you mind me showing our viewers your wonderful Chevelle?
No.
We're in the shop, and we're going to turn around here. And Steve owned this car since high school.
Yep.
You got it before you graduated, didn't you?
The same year, I got 1973.
1973. It's a beautiful Chevelle. It's 66?
67.
67. So this is our wonderful friend, long-term neighbor, and hopefully he puts up for me. Oh, that's okay, Steve. They'll get a kind of a glimpse of it. This is one little beautiful car. Don't get to drive it a whole lot, I understand, Steve.
Still drives good.
Yeah, I mean, you don't get to much chance with as busy as you are, but and this thing is just awesome. We grew up together in a good old neighborhood. And there's the big Enco that you saw him turning that plastic little gear on. And of course, then, Steve, I got to ask you, this lathe here, what is the actual physical horsepower of this thing? I mean, it's
10. I'm not sure. 7.5 or 10. I really don't remember.
Now, you started out, when you first started back, probably... somewhere in high school days, or after the print. We was in a print shop for a while.
Yeah, I didn't start the machine shop stuff till 92.
92.
Yeah, I did a little bit before that, but
started out on the little Enco over here in the corner.
I got in business. I went to business from 92 to 2007, probably.
Yeah, Ryan and Joe Pye and Adam, you all know what this is, the Rockwall tester. And I'm impressed. Steve actually did. Oh, yeah,
that'll date it right there. I think that's a B29.
B29? Yeah. Maybe? It's not a 36. I think it is a 29. Wow.
And so they made this when they were making the B29s.
Man. Yeah, he did.
It still works perfectly, by the way.
Yeah, he did my axles, showing me on the CJ5 when he did the bushings for him.
Yep.
Yeah.
It still works. There's absolutely no reason why it's.
Yeah.
You know.
Well, we're going to let him get back to his. He is awful busy, but I think you told me that you started out with, that was your first lathe, the Enco, wasn't it?
Yeah, right there. That lathe and the mill.
Yep, lathe and the mill. And now kind of retired.
Oh yeah, I'm retired, but I still do stuff for myself and for anybody that needs something.
Yeah, and loves his cycling, and we're going to be cheering him on, and hopefully he has one wonderful trip across Route 66.
I hope so.
So y'all please share with our other viewers. Come back and see us, and we'll try to do another video back in our shop. We're going to start another project back on the CJ5. Come back and see us.